Immortelle Precious Eye Balm has proven anti-aging benefits. The balm stimulates skin's natural collagen production to decrease the appearance of wrinkles while smoothing and firming the delicate area around the eyes. Using a small spatula or cotton tip, remove a small dab, warm it between 3 fingertips and breathe in the scent. Apply the balm beginning at the inner corner of the eye, using light pressure with your ring fingers. Finish with a light sweeping gesture to smooth along the eye contour. Repeat this step between the eyebrows, moving outward until the balm is absorbed. Take a moment to press lightly on the temples in small circles and relax. Immortelle Precious Eye Balm, anti-aging care for smooth and radiant eyes.